Follow these steps to fix brightness issues on iPhone. Let's get in. First, try to adjust brightness manually. For that, launch your control center. Now, use the slider to increase or decrease your brightness. In case it is not working, what you have to do is close this, disable auto brightness. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option Accessibility. Head over to the option Display and Text Size. Now scroll down. Here, disable for the option Auto Brightness. Now, try to increase or decrease the brightness on your device. Next thing you want to do is turn off True Tone and Night Shift. For that, navigate to the option Display and Brightness. Now disable for the option True Tone, likewise Night Shift. Then you can try to enable or disable brightness on your device. Next thing you want to do is turn off low power mode. For that, navigate to the option Battery, click on low power mode and disable for that option. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. Press and hold the power plus volume down or power button, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Likewise, disable reduce white point. For that, go to the option Accessibility, Display and Text Size. Now disable for the option reduce white point. If none of these solutions work, check for iOS update. For that, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. As a last resort, what you want to do is reset all settings. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. By following all these solutions, you should be able to increase or decrease brightness on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.